Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi or internet speed on Windows 11. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click on the Start button and then select Settings. In the Settings app, you need to switch to Network and Internet. Now there are two ways to change DNS settings, using Wi-Fi and using Ethernet. You can choose either one. I will show you both methods. Let's learn the steps for Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi and then click Hardware Properties. Here find DNS Server Assignment option and click on the Edit button next to it. In the Edit DNS Settings dialog, using the drop-down, change settings from Automatic to Manual and then toggle on IP version 4. In the Preferred DNS, type DNS Server from Cloudflare, that is 1.1.1.1, and in the Alternate DNS field, type 1.0.0.1 and then click Save. Now your Wi-Fi will reconnect instantly. After that, check if this fixes the slow internet speed or not. If you didn't notice any changes, then add DNS Server from Google. In the Preferred field, type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate field type 8.8.4.4 and click Save. Now you need to keep in mind that not all the time you will get good speed from Google or Cloudflare DNS. So switch between these two if selected DNS server is not giving you good internet speed. To change DNS for Ethernet connection, simply head back to Network and Internet and select Ethernet. Locate DNS Server Assignment option and click Edit, and follow the same steps as shown for Wi-Fi. In case you want to set IP version 6 DNS server, then you need to toggle on the IP version 6 and then check the video description where I have shared the required DNS addresses for IP version 6. And that's it. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if this helps in improving the internet speed or not. Thanks for watching.